Mr. Sicardo was arguing his contention for why the indictment should be quashed in his client's case, being Mr. Harpin, the sheriff's deputy, that his case should be dismissed with prejudice, repeatedly emphasized he won't tell us what my client did. And I mean, he drove that home over and over and over again. And it reached the point that he said, what the state needs to do is just man up and provide the specificity of what my client supposed to have done. And he even used some examples. He said, did he spit on him? Did he slap him? He said, I mean, we've got to get the specifics if we are going to defend the charges. So the state needs to man up and provide that specificity. Now, the reason I went to Deputy Harpin after York is because John Belton really did not have any meaningful contribution at all on the 23rd of June, this past Friday. However, he chose to want to be recognized on that one, and in my opinion, and again I'm interjecting my opinion here, it was ill-advised. What happened is Mr. Belton said, Your Honor, I'm 59 years old, I've been practicing for 37 years, and I have never been so insulted in a courtroom in all of my years of practicing. And Judge Rogers said, yeah, but Mr. Belton, this is neither the time nor the place. And he was very polite in telling him that, and then Belton was very dogmatic that, yes, it is, Your Honor. He said, my character has been attacked and I have a right to defend myself. And Judge Rogers said, and I'm telling you to stop. And Belton then said, or what? And I was kind of in disbelief. Judge Rogers said, politely, but he said, I think you know what. And I'll just say this, I was seated directly behind Mr. Belton. I figured there may be a chance, maybe Belton doesn't know or what. And so I, myself, did utter the word contempt. In my opinion, just making a statement that the state needs to man up and provide that specificity, which they are under a court order to do now. And quite frankly, I don't think making a statement that you need to man up should have required very thick skin to withhold. And quite frankly, I think that D.A. Belton not only erred in letting them have the satisfaction of knowing that they got under his skin, but number two, I would emphasize that he's not just an attorney, he is also a public figure. He's an elected public figure, and you just have to have thicker skin than that. Now, Mr. Sicardo, after this whole, Mr. Sicardo did state publicly, he said, to the extent that Mr. Belton feels that I have made offensive commentary, I certainly apologize. And then Mr. Belton said, okay, then, Your Honor, I accept the apology. I thought that was noble of Mr. Sicardo to do, because I am going to be blunt, I don't think an apology was even necessary. When you are in a courtroom and these attorneys are going at each other, this is not tiddlywinks, okay?